I'm standing on the viewing deck at Wannon Falls. There's the falls behind me. Of course, I've decided to come in autumn time, and it's such a beautiful day that they're not really flowing that fast. But I have been here in the winter when they've been flowing quite freely, and I've got some footage of that, so I'll add that to the video as well. Nevertheless, it's an absolutely stunning day. I'm going to flip the camera around in a moment and give you a good look around, and I'm just going to continue to have a really fantastic fun day. Bye for now. So this is Wannon Falls. Just the sound of the water is so peaceful. Back into the bush. So now I've just come a little bit further down, and this is where the river, just before the river goes over the falls. Just stunning. And I'm standing on a little rocky alcove, and I'm actually going to sit and do a meditation. With that water running. So this is the really nice camping spot at Wannon Falls. Very peaceful. There's Winnie. And now I'm going for a walk.